Subo.
Subo ka ng noodles, dali.
And of course, ang ating mga judges will have
Kain na, dali. Kain. Oo, noodles.
a minute and 21 dun po
Kain na.
ang ating oras. And our jury here conferring with one another.
Sarap.
Yummy.
And this will be subject for
Yum.
review.
Kain pa,
Because
dali.
they're saying that it had landed sa
Ano to?
naman
Ano
sa
yan?
head guard ng isang
Noodles.
Ano kinakain mo?
case that there should be some
Noodles?
points para sa
Kain na, dali.
And our review jury actually very hard at work dito sa
Galing. Marunong na sumubo.
Of course, you're allowed to challenge as we see that again. The back side of his leg actually landed sa likod ng ulo ng taga-Vietnam, but it was the sweep. So let's see if they're gonna be awarding this. It's really up to the jury if they're gonna be awarding the point to Indonesia.
Kumakain ra kay Latin na mo. Susubo siya, oh.
Yan, dahil ang Indonesia ang
Marunong na.
lalaban dito against Vietnam. And we continue to
Sarap. Laki naman. Yung subo.
Ba't may kachurita? Kutsarita.
Ay, di ba may kutsara siya, Ken? Kunin mo yung maliit.
Just have to tighten
Nahirapan siya, eh.
the guard
Ano para yung buhok niya yun?
para dito sa ating Indonesia.
Charot, Marco.
Sa finals para makakamit naman sila ng
Ayun pala, eh, oh. Ayun mo, ayun. Kutsara mo.
So, naman ang ating mga judges around the floor. As you can see, Indonesian very on.
Ayun na, kain na. Dali, oh.
Their very own Fernando Julius. Listen to that crowd.
Ang galing, oh.
Sabi ya. Alam niyo ba?
Inom na ng water, dali. Inom water, dali. Water.
Continue still.
Water,
Vietnam
dali.
leading. Battling 45
Drink water.
right there. No points awarded.
Water
to either
daw.
Chin.
Inom ka na. Dali.
Kailangan mo nakapa.
48 seconds remaining sa second round. This is the round again. Finals.
Galing. Very good.
Ano yung batang nakakaawang kumakain?
Listen to the chants of the Indonesian crowd.
Sabi mo, oishi.
Oo.
Marco, oishi.
Sabi
Sabi mo, dali.
Taga